Anger against these monsters is mounting, especially in Delhi.
Capital punishment, that too immediately, without any bureaucratic hassles, without any red tape, because this is just unacceptable. I mean, the girl is not the only victim, all of us are victims. I do think they should be publicly castrated for the way they have brutally raped that girl. I mean, this is just heinous.
The Delhi police is facing heat over Sunday's gang rape in a moving bus in the capital. While two of the accused have refused to face the identification parade, the man who was driving the bus will be paraded today.
Test identification parade of one of the accused will be conducted at Tihar jail. The victim's friend will be produced in the court and would be asked to identify Mukesh. Meanwhile, investigators claim that they are carrying out raids in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and also in Rajasthan to arrest two accused who are still on run. The police have also said that they have to find the victim's mobile phone and her ATM card that have been robbed by the accused.
The Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit too is facing severe criticism.
बिल्कुल संतुष्ट है और ये इस हॉस्पिटल को पूरी छूट है कि यदि कोई और चीज की आवश्यकता हो कहीं से भी लानी हो वो सरकार करे.
Meanwhile, the victim continues to battle for life.
She's been a fighter and she'll fight this bravely too. That's what the doctors treating her at the Safdarjung Hospital hope and pray. She underwent a selective abdominal surgery today, after which she's said to be stable. But the doctors are now keeping their fingers crossed and they say the next 48 hours are extremely crucial for her.
Their crime so revolting that demands are being made for severe and swift punishment.
Minimum punishment for a rapist should be chemical castration, and in case the grievance is much more heinous, they should go up to the death penalty and there should be no limit on the penalty.
If you don't have a system of convicting the accused, you can have the strongest law. It's of no use at all. You can have the strongest punishment that is available known to the criminal justice system, but if you cannot convict a person, what's the use of the law?
The outrage and anger raising several questions. Has the time come to review the criminal justice system? Whether it is equipped to deliver justice, especially in a heinous case like this. With Bhavtosh and Deepthi in Delhi, Fiona Pujara, Times Now.